the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a lion. Lions are the kings of the jungle. They are big cats with golden fur and a majestic mane for the males. Lions live in groups called prides, and they're known for their powerful roars. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They have long trunks they use like hands to grab things and big floppy ears to cool themselves. They are gentle giants. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a panda. Pandas are adorable bears from China with black and white fur. They love to eat bamboo, and their cute faces make them special. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a zebra. Zebras are like horses with black and white stripes all over their bodies. They live in groups and their stripes help them hide from predators. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world, with long necks and a beautiful spotted coat. They use their long necks to reach leaves high in trees. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a kangaroo. Kangaroos are special because they can jump really far. They have a pouch where they carry their babies, called joeys, and they are great hoppers. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a tiger. Tigers are orange with black stripes, making them some of the most beautiful big cats. They are very strong and fast, perfect for hunting.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.